This video is part of the course that is Build Reports with Jasper Reports, Java and Spring Boot. Link for this course is given in the description. Hello and welcome back. So now we have our very first report. Okay, so now in this lecture we will go through the elements that Jasper report is providing. So here you will see the palette. So these are the elements. Okay, if this is not appearing for you, then what you can do, go to window, show view, other, and inside the general you will see this palette. Okay, so it will appear. So here you will see couple of elements. Okay, chart, a table, rectangle, image, static text and text field. So these are the basic elements that Jasper report is providing. Now let's have a look that what elements this Jasper report design is containing. Okay, so this is the title. Just click on it and you will see that written is static text. That means it's a label. Okay, you will see over here, okay, in the outline that this is the label. Okay, static text means once we set its value, we will not change it from our Java code while we actually build or export the report. So basically it's a label with constant value. Okay, and say for example if you want to change its value, okay, static text, then just double click on it and say for example I am giving name that this is first report. Okay, so this is basically the title of our report. So this will remain the same. We will not change it while we create the report from our Java application. So this is static text label and this is the description. This is same thing. Okay, label, static text. So if you don't need it, then you can delete it as well. Okay, see here it will appear. And if you look at over here, this is the frame. Okay, this is also from the basic elements. See over here. So as we use the template file, it's already there. Okay, because we have used the template file. Okay, we haven't created this one from the scratch. So this is the frame. Okay, so frame is basically containing couple of elements. Like we have photo frame, right? So in photo frame we have couple of photos. So in the same way over here, okay, Jasper report frame, it is containing some elements. If you look at over here, then this Jasper report frame is containing two labels. Okay, basically two static texts. Okay, so let me do one thing. Okay, let me delete this one. Now save it. So what we will do over here is that let's have one text field. Okay, so how you can add the basic element, just drag it and put it inside your design. Okay, like this. Now you can drag it and move it as well. So text field means it's containing dynamic value. Okay, its value we will pass from our Java application. That means it's an input. We don't know what is the value. While building the report, we need to pass that value as an input. Now save it. Now these are the text fields. Okay, static text you can say, or a text field, right? So say for example if you want to change the font or color, then there are a couple of properties that you can use. So for that, what you can do, just right click on the particular element and go to show properties. So it will show you the properties. Okay, here you can see the fore color, back color. Okay, let me have this as a white. Okay, save it. Now say for example I want to change the font. Okay, and I don't know. Okay, there are many tabs over here, right? So what I can do, I can search. See the font size. Here you see font and font size. You just need to type, okay, and just select it. Say for example I am increasing it to 13. Okay, save it. So how to set value for this text field, that we will see in the upcoming lectures. Okay, for now you need to understand that Jasper Studio is providing these basic elements. Okay, you can have image as well. So as we proceed further in the course, we will see the uses of basic elements. Okay, you can have line as well, chart, table, this kind of elements you can have in your Jasper report. Okay, now coming over here, okay, then these are the column headers. Okay, for our tabular data, If you select it, then you will see that this is also label, okay? That means static text, okay? ID, first name, last name, state, city. Because this is column header, we are not going to change the column header dynamically at runtime while building the report from our Java application, right? We will change obviously the value, or say for example student name, but we will not change the school name or university name, right? So say for example, when you have that kind of thing, that will remain the same, right? Static text you can go for. When you have student name, say for example, that will change for each and every report, right? Obviously you can go for text field. These are the column headers that will remain same, okay? ID, first name, last name. So these are the labels, or you can say static text. Now don't worry about this, okay? What is the $F ID and all, okay? That we will see in the upcoming lectures. For now, you need to understand these basic elements provided by Jasper Studio. If you like the video, then please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, like the video, do comment in the comment section and share with your friends. Do you want to create reports from your Java and Spring Boot application? If yes, then I am having complete course that is build reports with Jasper reports, Java and Spring Boot. Let me show you the report that you will be able to create after completing this course. So this is basically student report card, and this is the report in the format of PDF. So in this course, you will learn how to have image in your report and how to have this kind of label in the report and text field. This value will come from your Java and Spring Boot application. You will learn how to have data in the table format and how to make sum of particular column values using Jasper variable. You will also learn to sort particular column values. You will learn how to have this kind of page footer where you can display current page out of total number of pages. Charts are very useful to summarize your data in the report. So in this course, you will learn how to have this kind of pie chart and 3D bar chart in your report. In this course, you will learn to export this kind of report in different formats like PDF, HTML and Microsoft Excel. You will learn to create this kind of report from your Java and Spring Boot application. So what are you waiting for? Link for the course is given in the description. Just click on that link and start creating reports from your Java and Spring Boot application. We'll see you in the another video. Till then, happy learning and happy coding.